Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you tips and tricks you should know in Windows 11 to help you get the most out of your Windows 11 operating system. Without further ado, let's begin. And before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. It would mean a lot to me. The first trick that I'm going to teach you is how to change your default browser from Edge to your preferred browser. So here's how to do it. First, go to your Windows settings. The keyboard shortcut for it is Windows key plus I. After you are in the settings tab, you need to go to the left pane and click on apps. Then select the default apps on the right. After that, go through the list down below and find your preferred browser installed in your computer and select it. Instead of going through the tedious process of manually selecting your preferred browser for each file type, go back to the top and click on the button that says Set Default. This will now set your preferred browser as the default browser, but there are some files you need to manually fill with your preferred browser. While we are here in the settings, one of the first things you should do is turn on dark mode. Not only does it make it easier on your eyes, and if you using a laptop, this can save battery life. To enable it, go to your personalization, then colors. In the drop down menu, to choose your mode, select dark, and that's it. This will apply to most of your apps and browsers as well. The third trick that I'm going to teach you is how to change your taskbar from the center to the more traditional left side, like on older Windows operating system. To do this, right click an empty space on the spacebar and select Taskbar Settings. After that, scroll down and select the taskbar behaviors. In the drop-down menu for taskbar alignment, select left. Now you can see it changed to the left side. To switch back to the centered taskbar, repeat all the steps mentioned and select center. The fourth trick that I'm going to teach you is the snap grid feature. This feature is handy if you only have one monitor. The snap grid feature can be easily used to arrange open programs and other windows on your screen. To use it, there is a keyboard shortcut which is the Windows key plus Z. Or you can have your cursor over the maximize or resize button in the upper right of any window. You'll see various layouts. In one of those layouts listed, select a zone to fit your window to that zone and select the others to their other respected zones. And a little secret, I use this feature to write my script for this video. Okay, while we are here on the subject of quality of life improvements, Microsoft has finally added the ability to use multiple tabs in File Explorer, like in a browser, like you are using to watch my video. But I sometimes wonder why they didn't add it in sooner. Now moving on to new keyboard shortcuts, Windows 11 have new ones that can be used for various functions. The Windows key plus W will open the taskbar widgets panel to get access to the weather and news and many more. Windows key plus A, this will open the quick settings. Windows key plus N will open up the notification center. And if you use Microsoft Teams, the Windows key plus C opens Team Chat. That's it for the new shortcuts. Now I will teach you how to hide unnecessary items in the taskbar. First, right-click on any empty space on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. For those being shown that you don't want, click on the toggle button to turn them off. And that's it. One of the keys to smooth a running computer is to get rid of junk files and other garbage that you don't need. In the Settings app in System, click on Storage. In Storage Management, turn on Storage Sense. Having it turned on, it will automatically free up space and delete temporary files and other useless stuff. If you click into it, you can choose when it automatically runs for each task, and that's it for the video. I hope you learned something new in this video, and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Bye.